All right, till later, engine. Next, let's clean this stuff off and clean the inside, and let me show you. I'm gonna pull out the carpeting, at least as much as I can get, because that's looking pretty nasty. It's not rusted through. Wouldn't take too long. I don't know if it just is leaking in from raining, or when that was there, if it's been there for a while, or someone left the windows open. So first off, let's get a garbage and clean it up. We're going to start with the trunk first, so all these pieces can go into the trunk. Get those out of the way. Scrap metal can go there. Ooh, fuel filter. Save that. Nice one too. Lots. Oh my god, look at the size of that cable. What the heck would this be for? Scrap. Oh, these must have been the exhaust tips. Jesus. Stuff we're gonna save goes there. Washer fluid pump. Some AC stuff. This tire is very old. Quarter panel is good, except for just down there. Probably down there a little bit more. Floor is good up until it's right here. Don't know what's happening here. So it looks like it's right at that seam. This is mostly solid. Sweet. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put all those parts in here. All right, trunk's full. Let's move on to getting the garbage out. And uh, 2022 Indiana. Oh goodness. Mr. Farmer. Related to Cindy? No. looks like headliner type stuff. U. More U. Empty. Quarter. Sunglasses. Maybe I'll clean them up and give them to Reese. A jar. Stuffed olives. Ooh. Change. Lots of change.
Yep, sent me some.
Relation of yours? Mr. Nathaniel Farmer.
No, he doesn't look Native American at all.
I don't know.
My sister's dad was really tall and thin.
He does not look like tall and thin. He looks like big and scary.
Reese might get a kick out of that.
Yeah, that's why I left it in there. Nothing use down there. Oh, this is nasty. Oh my god. I gotta get myself a knife. There's two carpets on top of each other. Let's get this seat. Not breathing, not breathing. So I can't scream either. Let that dry, see what I can get out from the back seats. I don't want to take the seats out yet, so let's do that. And I'm just cutting around everything just to get everything like just cleared out, so I can at least make sure that this is getting aired out and so forth. And what I'll do when I'll get some carpet and I'll coat this up really good. A lot of times I'll do like a bed liner or you know, undercoating on top of, or then I'll put the like the Dynamat stuff on top of that. I'll do Dynamat on the roof too. Huh? Hey.
Be the first one.
All right. Oh Jesus, these floors or these seats are cracked, dry. All right, so I'm gonna cut this stuff down, and then I can get my like flex tape or T-Rex tape, and then run it across. I want to do this now so when I vacuum it, is this a mistake? Oh, wait. Can I just rip it out? Might as well. Well, I think that's good for now. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'll brush it out some more. Get that side too. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks like just this stuff is starting to corrode a little bit. Let's see, can I get under here without cutting my hand open and getting tetanus? Yeah, sure, that's fine. So, all right. Next, I'm gonna wash it. are. It's like from a pine tree. It's actually digging into the paint. Or are they just leaving a residue? I'll also find out when I polish it. No! Damn it. Yeah, it's gonna take some work to get all that stuff out. Alright, well, I'm gonna scrub the other side and rinse it off. I don't think it's gonna look a whole lot better until I polish it, and I think I'll do that tomorrow. Well, it's been raining all day. Sun's out, hopefully for long enough time. So I've got some rubbing compound and my polisher. I do have some fresh pads, but I'm gonna start with this one and see, as long as it doesn't leave any maroon paint on it from the when I was polishing the roof of the tank. I'll just leave that on for now and then maybe switch it when if I do the polishing. So I got polish too. I'm gonna start with rubbing compound, see if I can get as much of this stuff off, and then probably polish and then wax. So let's set you up here, top of the Jeep. Oh, look what I got. Engine 360. I have 360 heads. Everything that goes with it, standard cam it looks like, but I'm still going to put the 318 cop heads on this for there, because that'll help with the low end torque, and it doesn't need to be a screamer, and I have them and they're done. So I'm probably going to pull the pistons and run a hole in and clean them up. They look mostly decent, but they could probably use some there's a little bit of pitting probably from sitting for so long, but very carbon filled, very black. So yeah, anyway, back to this. So I'm going to start with the trunk, then I'll do the hood. And it's been raining, so there is actually a pretty good leak coming in from the windshield somewhere. I actually pulled that drain plug. It was filling up pretty good, so I'll have to figure out where that's coming from. And then I'm wondering if it's coming from down there, because this isn't sealed anymore. So maybe I'll pull this one and I'll reseal everything back up again. So let's see how far I get before it rains again. Looks a little shinier. It's not the greatest. Yeah, this looks kind of dull. So you can see the fender in the front door, shiny. Passenger and rear quarter, not shiny. Could do a little bit better on the buffing, but I think I'll probably just end up waxing it anyway. I don't really know. Well, it's overcast, so it's hard to really tell. We'll just do a before. Yeah, a little bit better. Bumper looks shinier. Still need to get some of this crap off. Get some goo gone or goof off. Oh, the sun came out a second ago and it looked pretty good. So I'm gonna skip the waxing. I think I made it as shiny as it's gonna be for now. I want to get into the engine first, and then clean up a little bit more of the interior, and then and I'll worry about how much shinier I can make this. Right now, and here's the progress of the engine. I've got everything on. Everything that you see on is torqued and all ready to go. I do have a video coming of this whole process of this build. I'm kind of set this one aside because I'm currently, I promised Reese I would swap these engines out, and so that's what I'm doing now. That engine's good, transmission's bad. Engine and transmission are really good on that one, so that's going over there, and that one's going away. So that's the progress of things. Priority 1, priority 2, and then priority 3 on the making it look nice. So with that, that's as far as I'm going to go for this video for the Fury. Again, stay tuned so you can see the engine build and everything I did for that. And then if you're in, Jesus, I've got my phone hooked up to Bluetooth. And if you're interested in Grand Marquis, well, you got that coming. I've got a video for that. And then Logan's Supra video, got that coming too. So stay tuned. Talk to you later.